In a small town, there lived a humble shoemaker named Raghav. He was known for his hard work, kindness, and unwavering faith in destiny. His life was simple. He would wake up early, work all day in his little shop, and end his evenings by praying and reflecting on life. One day, as Raghav was busy stitching a pair of shoes, a traveler named Devdutt entered his shop. Devdutt had an unusual habit. He would often laugh at odd moments, seemingly without reason. This time was no different. As soon as he saw Raghav, he burst into laughter. Raghav was puzzled. He paused his work and asked, "Brother, why are you laughing?" Devdutt smiled and shook his head. "Not now," he replied. "I will tell you at the right time." Curious but respectful, Raghav let it go and continued his work. A few days later, Devdutt returned, and once again, he laughed upon seeing Raghav. This time, Raghav was even more confused. "You must tell me now. Why do you laugh every time you see me?" But Devdutt simply said, "Not yet, my friend. Be patient." Days passed, and on his third visit, Devdutt laughed again. But this time, after seeing the disappointment in Raghav's eyes, he finally decided to reveal the reason. "My friend," Devdutt said, "I see what most people cannot. I see the invisible threads of fate that connect our lives. And I laughed because I realized how unpredictable and perfect life's plan truly is." Raghav listened carefully as Devdutt continued. "I once thought I had complete control over my life. I tried to plan every detail, avoid every failure, and chase every success. But the more I resisted life's flow, the harder it became. Then, one day, I learned to trust the process, to accept the good and the bad as part of a greater design." Raghav took a deep breath. He had spent years worrying about his future, questioning every misfortune, and doubting his abilities. But now, something in Devdutt's words struck a chord. "So, what should I do?" Raghav asked. "Live your life, my friend," Devdutt said with a smile. "Stop overthinking what will be good or bad. Work hard, stay kind, and trust that everything is unfolding just as it should." That night, Raghav slept peacefully, feeling lighter than ever. He realized that no matter how much he worried, life had its own rhythm, its own plans. And perhaps, just like Devdutt, he too would one day laugh at how beautifully life had worked itself out. Moral of the story: life is full of uncertainties, and not everything will go as planned. But instead of worrying about the unknown, we should trust the process, put in our best efforts, and believe that everything happens for a reason. Sometimes, what seems like a setback is actually a step towards something better. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Storyteller Yashmita for more motivational stories. And let me know in the comments, have you ever experienced a moment where life's plan surprised you in a positive way?